students, we have completed the second chapter, that is a power supplies. Okay, so today we are going to start the new chapter, that is instruments. It is very important chapter. All instruments has given in this chapter. So which instrument is used where, that is given. So first very important instrument we are going to see today is what? CRT. CRT is nothing but cathode ray tube. What is this? Cathode ray tube. Now where is cathode ray tube used? Cathode ray tube is previously used in televisions or TVs, which we have used in the home. So nowadays there is no CRT in the TVs. TVs are now LCDs or LED TVs are there. So where this cathode ray oscilloscope is used? So this cathode ray oscilloscope, in this cathode ray oscilloscope means what? CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope. Oscilloscope means CRO. In this CRO, CRT is used. CRT means cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube is used in the CROs. CRO means cathode ray oscilloscope. What is this? This is an instrument. CRO is an instrument which is used to measure voltages, frequencies and to observe various waveforms. So these are very important instruments in electronics. How the stethoscope is important for doctors, like that. In electronics, CRO is very important. Without CRO, you can't measure the frequencies, voltages, waveforms, you can't observe. Okay? So in these CROs, CRT is used. And these CROs are used in the laboratories. Now also CRO is used. In previous days, CRO is used in TVs. Now it is used in the laboratories. So in electronics, CRO works as a stethoscope. Where the stethoscope works for the doctors, CRO works in electronics. So it is so important. Okay. So now we are going to see the cathode ray tube. What is the block diagram of cathode ray tube? Question has asked so many times, 10 times asked. Question for 4 marks. What is the question? See, it is asked in 2003, 2005, 2007, 2010, 2012, 2014, 2015. So many times. And in October 2003, 4, 5, 15 and July 2007. See how much it is important. Okay. So let's concentrate on the circuit diagram of this. See, we are going to draw this diagram for CRT, that is a cathode ray tube. Two parallel plates are there. Here is a filament is connected. Filament is there. This is screen or display. These are the plates. It's called accelerated plates. vertical plates. Beam is passed through this filament and strikes on the screen. This is what? Screen, fluorescent screen. Here is the horizontal This is the screen where the beam is strike. This is the electron beam. This screen has a fluorescent element. This is called as the fluorescent screen. This fluorescent screen also having the aquatic coating. So see, this is what? This is filament, where here pins are connected. These are what? Pins, or this part is called base part. Okay, this is cathode. And control grid is there. This is cathode. This control grid is there. Is a pre-accelerating anode. Here see, this is control grid. This is pre-accelerating anode. This is accelerating anode. This is focusing anode. Now this is vertical focusing anode, and this is horizontal focusing anode. This is what? Horizontal focusing anode. This is a vertical focusing anode. So this is what the filament, or in the filament heater is there. So how it works, where it is used, how many parts are there, we'll see it now. See, this is the diagram for cathode ray tube. Okay, how many parts are there? See, from here to here. I'll write it later on. See, this part is called as the electron gun assembly. And here focusing assembly. Two main parts are there. This is electron gun assembly and this is the focusing assembly. How many parts are there? See, first is electron gun fluorescent screen, and fourth part is this is a glass tube. This tube is of what? Made up of glass. Last is glass plate or the base. Base means this base. These are the pins are connected. So what is this? See here. This is having two main parts, that is the electron gun assembly and focusing assembly. What happened? See, in the electron gun assembly, which parts are there? See in the diagram, in electron gun assembly, control grid is there, filament is there, pre-accelerating anode and accelerating anode is there. So what is this? In the control grid, pre-accelerating anode, see focus, and accelerating anode is there. And in focusing assembly, what is there? Focusing anode. In focusing anode and vertical focusing anode and horizontal focusing anode. Vertical and horizontal focusing anodes are there in the focusing anode. Now see in the third part, that is fluorescent screen. Fluorescent screen contains electron beam and aquatic coating and last part, that is the glass plate or base. It contains the plates made up of glass and pins, which is connected starting of this diagram. Okay. Now construction we have seen. In the construction, it is divided into four parts. First part is the electron gun assembly. Electron gun assembly is this part. In this electron gun assembly, what is given? Pins are given, base is given, filaments is there, filament but cathode is connected. There are four plates are there. First plate is the pre-accelerating anode, second plate is accelerating anode, and this is come under the electron gun assembly. In the second part, in the focusing assembly, this is the horizontal plate, vertical focusing plates is there, that we have written there. And the third part, electron beam is there, which comes from the filament and strikes on the fluorescent screen, and aquatic coating is there. And last, fourth part is glass plate or the base, where plate is given. This is the construction of this diagram. It is asked for 4 marks. See how to write. First, you have to draw this diagram. You have to label this diagram. Then divide into the 4 parts. And one by one we will see how it works. Now we will see the working. What happens and how this CRV works. Okay. Now start. See, this is the pins. Pins are used to plug in. When we plug in this CRT, when you give the supply or voltage to the pins, what happens? Here filament is there and filament having heater. Yes, it is having heater, electron gun assembly. Gun assembly means what? It is having the heater which heats. No doubt you have the heater at home also. When you plug in, the 2 rods are there, the 2 rods start heating. Isn't it? That same concept heater which is in the filament, when you give the supply, it starts heating. When it starts heating, this control grid start working. What it works? It starts, electron are emitted. Here, when they start heating, when this filament is start heating, what happens? Electrons are start randomly moving. What happens? When we give the voltage or supply to the, when we apply the pins, voltage here to the pins, when this heater is start heating, it emits the electrons, because it is what? Cathode is there, its control grid is also there, and the cathode is also connected. So cathode means what? Starts electrons, and electrons can flow everywhere in the screen. So it should not flow everywhere, it should be flow in proper direction. Therefore, these anodes are used. This accelerating anode and pre-accelerating anodes are used, so that what happens? This anode having plus sign and cathode having negative sign. So what happens? This electron will not flow everywhere in the screen. So it gives the path to flow through that. So these electrons will not flow here. Electrons will flow like this with high speed and strikes on this screen. This screen is what? Fluorescent screen. Which screen is this? This screen is the fluorescent screen. So it gives the path as well as accelerating. Means what? It gives the speed to that beam. Electron beam is start flowing in this direction, because these accelerating anodes are there. It shows the path. You flow, but not any direction. You flow in only one direction. Therefore, these accelerating anodes are used. All of you understand the concept? When plug is given, when voltage is given to the pins, the heater is start heating. When they start heating the filament, it emits the light electrons, and that electrons will flow everywhere. So it should not flow everywhere, it should be flow in one direction. Therefore, that direction is given by this accelerating anodes. Up till here you understand? This accelerating anode is used to give the path to this electron beam, and it is also used to give the speed. Okay? So it comes up till here. So what happened here? See, it is the vertical focusing. It comes up till here, electrons comes here. When you apply the voltage to this plate, electron will flow on this screen. If you apply the voltage to this plate, then electrons will flow in this direction. If you again apply this in this direction, means it is used to give the vertical direction. This plate is used to display the electrons. It sends the electrons in vertical direction. So in CRO, what we observe the waveform like this in horizontal and vertical both directions. See, suppose this is the sine wave. So it is horizontally and vertically we observe, isn't it? We observe it vertically and horizontally. Therefore, if you apply the supply to the vertical plate, then it emits the electrons, it sends the electrons on the screen at the upward side. If you apply here, it gives the electrons to the downward side. It's up and down, it sends the electrons on the fluorescent screen. This is the function of what? Horizontal plate. Okay. Now, similar function is given to the, this is a vertical plate. Similar function is given to the horizontal plate. What happened? It gives the, when electron comes here, it gives the path, it gives the direction to the, like this. The x-axis is the y-axis. Okay? It gives the path to the x-axis. It's left to right, left, right is given. is the horizontal focusing anode. So this is the function of this horizontal focusing anode. Vertical focusing anode gives the up and down direction, and this horizontal focusing anode gives the left and right direction, that is the X plate and the Y plate. Up till here you understand? Now see, the main part is our fluorescent screen. This screen, what happened when electron beam emits, it start moving, and with accelerating anode is there, it gives the speed. With kinetic energy, full kinetic energy comes and strikes to this screen on the fluorescent screen. So what happened here on the fluorescent screen, when kinetic energy comes, this beam comes with this kinetic energy, with its own energy, and that kinetic energy is converted in the light emission. What is this? Kinetic energy is converted in the light emission. So this fluorescent screen have the function, it converts kinetic energy into the light. It emits the light so that we can observe the waveform on the screen. Okay, when the light is beamed and strike on the screen, and that screen is convert kinetic energy into the light emission, so that starts preparing or start the image. So we can observe the image on the screen. So main function is what? When electrical signal is given to the CRT, it converts it into the visual signal. So main function of the cathode ray tube is what? The electrical signal is converted into the visual signal. Visual means what? Picture signal. We can observe the waveform, we can observe the picture on the screen of this CRO. Okay, in the CRO, CRT is used, and how CRT is work when pins are applied the supply, it gives to the heater, heats the filament and start emitting the electrons, and electrons flow everywhere, so that it gives a direction by this accelerating anode, and this accelerating anode allow this to pass through in this direction and strikes on the fluorescent screen, and it also gives its speed. Therefore that speed is nothing but the kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy, with that kinetic energy, these electron beam are strike on the fluorescent screen, but fluorescent screen have its own function, that it converts kinetic energy into the light emission, and it prepare the image of that beam, and that image is observed on the screen. Okay, so it is here all electron beams are there, and that electron beams are converted into the image. One more thing is there, that is aquatic coating. What is aquatic coating? And this aquatic coating is nothing but the conductive plate, or it is used for conductive coating. This aquatic coating is also called as the conductive coating. What is conductive coating? Conductive means what? Conductor, inductor, we know. What is the conductor? What is the inductor? Okay, so electrons are collected here because of the aquatic coating. Aquatic means conductor. Conductor means what? It attracts the electrons. So it will collect the electrons here because of the aquatic coating. More electrons are connected with a high speed, because accelerating anode gives the speed to the electron beam. With that high speed, it strikes on the screen, fluorescent screen, and it converts that kinetic energy to the light emission. It emits the light and starts preparing the image on the screen. So this CRT work like this. All of you understand this, the function? What happened when supply is given to the screen, then heater is start heating, then what happened? Electrons are emit, and that electrons flow everywhere. It should not flow everywhere, should be in one direction. Therefore, accelerating anodes are used, and this accelerating anodes give the path to the beam to flow through that. When it flow up till here, then it gives the horizontal direction or vertical direction. If it is a vertical direction, it flows up and down. If it is horizontal direction, it flows in the left and right side. And after reaching here, the screen, and that fluorescent screen has its function that it converts kinetic energy into the light emission and start prepare the picture of that electron beam, and so that picture can be observed on the screen of this CRT. This is the main working of this cathode ray tube, and this cathode ray tube is used in the CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope. All of you understand? This is a very important question. It has asked so many times, more than 10 times it is asked for 4 marks. Okay, so this is the main function of the CRT, and this CRT is basically in 2 types, electrostatic and magnetostatic. We will see in the next lecture. All of you understand this? Thank you.